In the Server General Settings, use VidCenter Install to simplify VidCenter installation across the Edge VMS system. Instead of running an executable file on each client machine, you can use OpCenter to deploy VidCenter Click Once. On the VidCenter Install tab, enable VidCenter installation. Select the executable VidCenter file to use for each client machine and click Open. For name resolution, identify the computer that hosts the VidCenter Click Once software, typically the OpCenter server. If you use a DNS name, the host's file on each client machine must include the IP address of the DNS host. To use these settings, click Update VidCenter Click Once Deployment. Users can then click an Install VidCenter button on the login page, and Click Once will download the specified version to the client machine.